Suppose that h of x equals negative 5x plus 12. The first thing that we want to do is determine if the point 2 comma 2 is on the graph of the function. To answer this question, what we really want to know is, does h of 2 equal 2? The reason that we want to know that is because if the point 2 comma 2 is on the graph of the function, then when I evaluate the function at 2, I should get an output of 2. In general, if xy is on the graph of a function, then y must equal h of x. So let's see if this works out. H of 2 is going to equal negative 5 times 2 plus 12. Negative 5 times 2 is negative 10. Negative 10 plus 12 is 2. Because h of 2 equals 2, the point 2, 2 is on the graph of the function. In part B, if x equals 3, what is h of x? This is really asking what is h of 3. To find h of 3, we replace x in the rule of the function with 3. So we have negative 5 times 3 plus 12. Negative 5 times 3 is negative 15. Negative 15 plus 12 is negative 3. So h of 3 equals negative 3. When I input 3 into the function, the output is negative 3. This means that the point 3 comma negative 3 is on the graph of the function. In part C, if h of x equals 27, what is x? Here we're being given the output of the function. We want to know the input. So we are solving the equation h of x equals 27. This is the same as solving negative 5x plus 12 equals 27, because that's the rule that defines the function h. Subtract 12 from both sides of the equation, we get negative 5x equals 15. Divide both sides of the equation by negative 5, we get that x equals negative 3. So when the input is negative 3, the output is going to be 27. So what point is on the graph? Negative 3, comma 27. Finally, in part D, we want to know the zero of h. Recall, the zero of a function is the value of the independent variable, in this case x, such that the value of the function is 0. So to find the zero of this function, we need to solve the equation h of x equals 0. So we're solving negative 5x plus 12 equals 0. Subtract 12 from both sides, we get negative 5x equals negative 12. Divide both sides of the equation by negative 5, and we get that x is 12/5. So the zero of the function is 12/5.